All right, y'all, so welcome to the Alba Road Estate right here in Ben Lomond. This property was built in 1980. It's got over 6,700 square foot living space, plus an additional ADU in the back that has over 800 square feet. So we're gonna take a quick little walk through this place. It's magnificent. The kitchen was created by a 5-star Michelin chef, so you'll be able to check out that as we move on through. Come on up. So to your left, you will find the additional rooms on the second floor. Now this wing of the house does have the 2 bedrooms with the bathroom right outside as well. All right, now on this side of the wing, you will find the laundry room, plus the child's room and the primary suite. Now, through the primary bedroom, you have the bathroom that is equipped with 2 sets of sinks and mirrors and a beautiful view outside. Great tub that has a lot of feng shui. In addition to that, you have a stand-up shower. Now, this home is actually 3 stories. As you come on up this way, you'll be able to see what they got in store. Here, the owners of this property created this 3rd floor as strictly a playroom for their children. It's a great idea. Let your children run wild. You can set up multiple different types of toys. They also have a jump house over here on this end, which is pretty cool. Now the 3rd floor does have 2 separate stairways to the top. It brings you into the formal dining room. And as I mentioned, this home is owned by a Michelin-starred chef. So they created this kitchen as if it was in a Michelin-starred restaurant. So if cooking is your thing, this space allows you ample opportunity to show off your skills. This bar, this redwood, was made from redwood trees from this property. Likewise, as you look outside from this kitchen area, you also see a deck that was made out of redwood that is also from this property. Now, they also have a European style vineyard. It's a little bit different, not too many people are familiar with it. So if you are into growing and drinking wine, this 11-acre property offers a vineyard already intact, producing grapes. As you move through, you have an additional restroom. This is the family room over here, equipped with a fireplace and a piano for entertainment. And of course, if you're anything like myself and you like to read, of course, this offers you a great library study room. Chill and relax, light the fire on rainy days such as we're having currently. Now, as I mentioned, this is 3 stories. But one of the best stories of this home is that it has a private theater attached to the wine room. Come check this out. So if you're interested in drinks before your movie, they got a wet bar right here, ready for you and your friends. Right this way is where you'll find the theater room. It has great luxury style seats, recliners, and of course, the big screen. Now in this corner of the room is where you have the wine cellar. So if you're a wine connoisseur, as the owners of this property are, you can come in here and get your taste on with your friends and family, have some great story time, and of course, some great taste. You're equipped with farm animals. You got dogs, geese, chickens, sheep, of course, some hogs. This is the additional dwelling unit. 3-car garage on the bottom with a living unit above. This property has propane gas. It is on a water well system, public electricity, and sewer lateral.